Step 3. Make stateful widget my home page. In this step, let's extract this scaffold path to another class. Okay, so open editor. So type st. So please find stateful widget and type my home page. So by doing this, you can create my home page stateful widget. So next, please select this scaffold path and remove and replace this container and save. And here in home property, please pass this home page class. Okay, so by doing this, you can extract this scaffold path to another class. In future, you can separate this class to another file, so it is good for refactoring. So let's check output. The output is same, so it means it's working correctly. So let's again fix CRUD to blue. And let's go back to document. So we finish both 1 and 2. If you want to type into stateful widget syntax, these are below links, this 1 and 2. Yeah, this stateful widget is difficult, looks difficult at first. But I think it is okay not to understand perfectly right now. Just following code auth compression is enough. But if you curious, please read these 2 links.